And so for the last video, we're going to do a flashback, a blast from the past, long division. By hand, without a calculator, here we go. So let's suppose that I have the problem 58 divided by 5. And I want to do that by long division. So I'm going to do 58 with this bracket 5. That's 58 divided by 5. And so we look at this. How many times does 5 go into 5? One time. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then we bring down this 8. And so now we're going to figure out how many times does 5 go into 8. Well, that's also 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. And that means we have a remainder of 3. If we were going the old remainder system, remainder of 3. But those of you who are fluent with decimals know that we can add a 0.0 here, bring down that 0, and 5 goes into 36 times. So 11.6 is the answer to 58 divided by 5. If you don't believe me, pull up your calculator and do 58 divided by 5, and you get 11.6. Sweet. So now we come over here to 1014 divided by 3. So we put 1014, and then we put this bracket around it, and 3. So how many times does 3 go into 1? 0. So let's look at the next number. How many times does 3 go into 10? 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And we're going to bring down this 1. And now we're going to look at how many times 3 goes into 11. 3 times. And 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. And so and now we bring down this 4. And how many times does 3 go into 4? 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. That's how many times 3 goes into 24 is 8 times. 24 minus 24 is 0. So we have a remainder of 0, or an answer of 338. And if you don't believe me, 1014 divided by 3 is 338. And so why is this important? You will see tomorrow. So if you need to, pick some random division problems and practice your long division before tomorrow. That is all. A goodbye.